In this quick guide, we'll show you how to track product orders made through your WhatsApp store directly from your digital Vcard. Here you can see the list of ordered products. Here you can see the list of ordered products along with their details, including product name, order date, customer name, amount, and an action button. You can also view the details of the person who placed the order using the action button. Use the search box to filter inquiries by Vcard name, customer name, email ID, phone number. You can also click Send email to customer or users to notify them about order confirmation, shipping, or thank you messages, or sellers about the new order. You can also filter by payment method to view specific customer details. Managing product orders through Vbiz Cards is simple.